Welcome to Affiliate Reel. In this short demonstration video, I'm going to show you how you can create profitable affiliate mini sites promoting any product that you want and start generating commissions with these mini sites. Now, to get started, we're going to click on Create Project and we can search a product by keyword from all these networks. We can enter a custom product that we want, or we can search from categories. For our demonstration, we're going to search for a crypto related product on ClickBank. Click on search. Now you can see all the products with their listing date, average conversions, gravity, attributes, how many they've sold, refund rates, and all the other details. And of course in ClickBank, but in JVZoo and Warrior Plus, you can also see the conversions and EPC. Now for our project demonstration, let's use the crypto code product and click on generate site. Now again, we can create these sites in tons of different languages for all different demographics and countries. We're gonna click on create projects to get started. Now, Affiliate Reel is going to go out there and start fetching data, scraping all the sales page, all the information that is out there about CryptoCode to start building content for your affiliate mini site. Now, as you can see, the mini site is ready to edit. We're going to go on and click Edit Project. Now, as you can see, all the information is pre-populated and generated by AI. We don't really need to edit anything, but you have the opportunity to modify it all. Here you can see all the site titles, taglines. Of course, we can add a custom domain if we want, or we can use a subdomain. So let's call it demo3. And again, we can add a logo, upload a logo, we can skip adding a logo, or we can find the logo from the scraped images about the product. So here's the logo. We're going to use this and click on save and click next. Right here, we can upload more information about the project for AI to understand. But since AI has already scraped all the data, so we already have enough data to get started. But again, if you want to add more information, you can copy paste it or upload PDF, docs, or text file. We're going to click next for AI to start generating content for the mini site that we generated. Now you can pick from tons of different templates that we have. You can add bonuses, you can remove bonuses, add your own custom bonuses, and click next. Now these bonuses are going to help incentivize your site's visitor to purchase through you. Next step is to add your affiliate link. Of course, you can click on the JV page link here to go to the products partners page and find your affiliate link, or you can add your own domain that you can later redirect to whatever affiliate link you want to do that. So we're going to use a custom link over here and click next. Now this is the important part, because this is where you're going to make money. When people click on your affiliate link, you're going to get commission. Right here, we can create a review video. We can see what kind of video we want, the target audience, tone of voice, focus area. We can write the script ourselves, or we can have AI write the script for us. So we're going to write a product review video and click on generate script, and the AI will generate the script in real time for you with lots of content, all good, all fetched from the information AI has learned about this product from their sales page. Next up, you can add stock images in your video, or you can have AI generated images in your video. And you can also include some of the images that you have scraped. So we're going to do this, click on done. You can add your own face as an animated talking head, so it looks like you are actually reviewing the product yourself. And you can of course pick from all these different voices that we already have inbuilt, or you can use ElevenLabs to clone your own voice, or use one of the voices that you've already created in ElevenLabs. We're going to click on next. And we're going to confirm all the information that we have given and click on generate site, and it's going to start generating the mini site and the review video for you, along with comparison pages, review pages, blog articles, blog posts, demo videos, and of course all the bonuses that are out there. As you can see, the website is being processed and video is being generated. Now, as you can see, the project is ready. We're going to click on visit site to preview the site, the mini site that has been created for us by Affiliate Reel. Now, as you can see, this is the URL, and it's going to load up the site for us. Now, as you can see, the site has been created, the logo has been added, all this content is AI generated. This video is going to be replaced by the demo video, the review video that we have created, and it's rendering right now. And all this content is here with key focus, our ratings, testimonials, comparisons, blog articles, bonuses. All these links have your affiliate link on them. You can go into product review to see the product review again, which is AI generated. All the information is here. You can see the pros and cons, the FAQs, how to get started, testimonials, everything is here. You can go into comparison page and you can see product comparison here, which has been done with a competitor product that we found similar to CryptoCode, and you can see why customers should buy this through you. And of course, you can also see the blog and all the blog posts that have been created. All these blog posts are SEO optimized, so you can start ranking on Google and start generating residual traffic to your mini site to generate more commission. And of course, all blog posts have your affiliate link on them, and there's an affiliate link right on the top as well. Now, to modify any of these sites, you can click on edit mini site, and you can edit this using our what you see is what you get editor, and you can modify all the pages that have been created, add more to it, remove from it. Very easy to do, super friendly, super easy to do, and you can preview it, save it, and you can go about doing that as well. And then now let's go ahead and edit the video that we have created. So we're going to click on edit video right over here, and we can preview the video, modify the script, change the background, change the volume, anything that we want we can change. We can change the background here, we can add more media on top of it, we can add text layers, we can change the narration, we can see what narration is going to go on in this slide, we can add our own talking head if we want to, we can change the background music, we can add animations on different layers, we can remove certain layers if we don't want it, we can add an intro outro slide, we can control the volume of the voiceover compared to the volume of the background music, we can add a call to action again, which could be your affiliate link, and it'll be automatically added on all the slides. You can add a logo, watermark, and of course you can turn on and add captions on all these videos. And when you're ready, of course, after modifying, you can click on preview and render all of these videos. But since this video is already rendered, it has been added on the website. As you can see, the video has been rendered and added right on your mini site automatically, and it's going to have all the information, all the things that you need promoting your affiliate product. Now let's go back to my projects, and this is how your mini site is created. Everything is done for you. The next step is to generate traffic. We go into traffic generation module, and we have got multiple different ways to generate traffic. One of them is AI driven social micro content. So what this will do is create multiple short form videos and publish them on different platforms. We're going to click on our project, click on start creation project. We're going to give it a campaign name. We can select from all these different platforms we want to create short videos for, our campaign goal, what's the benefit and price value. We can of course pick from different voices we want. We can schedule it for different date and time when the video short videos are going to be published, or let AI decide when it's going to be published. We can of course add more information if we want, or it will just use the information of the product that we have already created and start generating these short videos to go out there, start automatically publishing on social media sites to drive traffic to your affiliate mini site where people can land, learn more about the product, and buy that product through your affiliate link. The script is generated. Of course, you can add your talking head, the title, description, and hashtags where the videos are generated. You can pick from AI generated media or stock media in your short videos and click on generate videos. And this will start generating these videos that will go out there and bring traffic to you. Now let's go back to traffic, and then we're gonna go and find question and answers on Reddit and Quora that AI can answer and direct these people who are asking questions about crypto online to your affiliate mini sites where they can buy products from you. So let's do that. We select Quora and Reddit both and click next. It's gonna go out there and find questions for you. Now again, you can add a custom call to actions, which is going to be your affiliate mini site, or you can add your own affiliate link, or whatever link you want to do it. Is going to go out there and find these questions that people are asking in Quora and Reddit, and then AI will automatically answer those for you. Again, you can train AI on more content if you want, or it's just going to take all the additional information that we have already scraped about the product. And here you can see all these questions that are being asked about the niche that you're looking for, and you can select multiple of these questions, and then you click on next, and AI will start generating answers for these questions. In terms of Reddit, it will go and post these answers automatically, and for Quora, it will let you download or copy paste these questions that you can then go ahead and answer on Quora to start generating traffic. Same way, you can create Pinterest board and Pinterest pins for your project by clicking on start creation process. All the information is pre-populated for you. You can direct your pins to a certain page on your mini site and click on next. You can connect your Pinterest account, and on your Pinterest account it will create a pin board that will start generating images and content that can be later shown on your Pinterest account. Select your board, click next. Again, you can let AI decide when it's going to post or schedule it yourself. Click on next, and now you can see all the information that is AI generated. The image is going to be AI generated as well. All you have to do is click on approve and schedule, and that's it. It's going to start generating traffic for you from Pinterest as well. Now here you can create PDF and ebooks about your product and publish those PDF ebooks on different platforms to start generating leads and traffic to your affiliate mini sites. You can pick from any of the blog articles that we have created, and it's going to convert the blog article into a PDF with call to action. Now you can upload your own cover design or use the one that's AI generated, and you can pick from all these different templates that we have for these ebooks. All the content is already generated. You can of course add more, remove more from it, and you can choose your call to action that's going to be in the PDF ebook. And your PDF is ready. You can click on preview and download this PDF to go share it wherever you want to start generating traffic to your affiliate mini site. Now let's go back to the traffic generator and do automated affiliates video syndication. So any video that you have created in the project, the review video, the mini videos that you have created, you can select this video. You can upload more videos if you have, and whatever video that you generate inside the app for this project will show up here, and then you can syndicate and start uploading these videos. You can select the videos that you have created. Any video that you create in this campaign will show up here. You can of course upload more videos, and then in the next step you can start scheduling or automatically publishing these videos on all different social media video sharing sites to start generating traffic back to you. Same way you can generate link building by guest posting, where it'll find guest post blogs and generate those blog posts for you to publish them. You select the project, start the process, you generate awareness, pick what content you want to focus on. It's gonna find you all the blogs that have similar guest posting opportunities. It's gonna build everything for you, and then it's going to create all the content, and that you can go out there and start publishing on these blogs. Same way with Google Web Stories. You can go here, select your project, create new stories, select Google Web Stories, select the highlights that you want to focus on, or tips and tricks, or whatever you want to focus on. Click next. It's going to start generating the stories for you. It's going to start generating the story over here where you can approve and select, and then on the web stories it will publish all these web stories for you, so you can start generating more money with these. Next up is AI chatbot, where it will create AI chatbots where you can add this AI chatbot automatically on your website by simply giving the bot a name, giving it tone, basic information. You can decide which pages the bot's gonna take information from. You can pick high converting content first, click on knowledge base, where of course you can add more information for the bot, or you can keep the bot as it is with the existing knowledge base that we have. Here you can customize your bot with icons, change the color, give it location where you want it to post. You can change the color, preview and deploy. Now the chatbot that you have created will automatically start showing up on your mini site, so you don't really have to embed it yourself manually. Now you give yourself a name, email that will be automatically added to your autoresponder, and give it a question just to test it out. And as you can see, the bot will answer questions and also share your affiliate link in the chat with your customers. And that is how you can generate traffic to the affiliate mini site you have created. And you can create tons of these affiliate sites super easily in the next 1 to 2 minutes. Publish them online, start generating traffic through them using affiliate, AI-driven social micro content, Q&A outreach, Pinterest, guest posting, video syndication, ebook and PDF syndication, Google Web Stories, and AI chatbot to start generating traffic and earning commissions. This is how Affiliate Real AI works. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. We'll be happy to help you.